Do you want the members of your team, your leaders, to become master communicators? Do you want to enhance their ability to influence and persuade others, to enhance their professional image? If so, I can help through live or pre-recorded professional skills programs ranging from executive presence, well-being, and communication skills. By engaging my services, you will receive a ready-to-go program that includes the following: a customized interactive presentation conducted either in person, through a webinar, or through a customized, created, recorded program. A beautiful, customized, and branded workbook that supports the main program. Multiple customized social media videos and social media posts designed to help promote and build anticipation for the program. If you're interested, contact me at john@johngodoy.com and let's set up an introductory exploratory call so we can discuss how to bring a great presentation, a great learning experience to your organization and to your people.